In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to unlike all liked posts on Instagram. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture or profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Your Activity below the How You Use Instagram section. In the Interactions section, tap on Likes to view a list of posts that you've liked on Instagram. If you want to filter your likes before deleting them, you can do so by tapping on options like Newest or To Oldest to sort likes chronologically, all dates to filter likes by specific date range, or all authors to filter likes by account. Tap on Select in the top right corner of the screen, then tap on the posts you want to unlike. You can select multiple posts if desired. And after selecting the posts you want to unlike, tap on Unlike at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear, and then confirm. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.